Hi guys, the top three exams for you people is number one CAT. Of course, CAT is the main exam we can target. Number three is SNAP, and number two is CET. This ranking is based on number of seats, and of course the ROI. I've taken everything into consideration. So CAT number one, number two CET, number three SNAP, and number four I would consider to be ZAT. Yeah, ZAT का level of difficulty is very high, more than CAT also. That's why I'm keeping it rank. Otherwise, this is there. Today, I want to focus on the CET exam. People say CET बहुत कम है, ये है, वो है. There are 2,000 seats up for grab for CET for everybody, for all India students, Maharashtra students, everybody combined. Yeah. So let me talk about that part first. So all these colleges which are here, there are most of the colleges except for JB Sidnam. Most of the colleges have two programs. One is the MS का program, one is the PGDM का program. Now for the MMS program, yes, all India seats are less. In fact, for everybody, even for the open category, seats are less. But for the PGDM seats, everyone is open to apply. For all India, everyone can apply. Alright, let me give you two examples. A college like SIS have got 18 seats for all India. Yeah, or JBMS, same thing. And 36 seats for the Maharashtra student, open category. Yes. Whereas on the other hand, Vilinker have only 120, same way, 18 and 36, but 240 seats for the open cat, for the PGDM, which is open for everybody. Yeah. So there are total 2,000 seats up for grab, which you can target. Yeah, this time due to COVID, because CET is the last exam which happens, due to the COVID, the result is now, the admission is now delayed. That's unfortunate. But anyway, CET always happen late only. But I would like to blame COVID for that. It's not. So the admissions will happen. But this is for the CET 21. This video is for the CET 21. Alright, let's check out details. These are the top 10 colleges which are there through CET. Bajaj, Sydenham, you can find the complete details on cetking.com/CET. Just go to the link cetking.com/CET and you can find out all the details about the colleges, ranking, cutoff, everything is given here. So this is the cutoff ka sheet for all these colleges. You can pause the video and check out the cutoff for each of them. But let's talk about the detail first. So I'm just opening up the top 10 colleges here, not more than that. Now, General Bajaj, number of seats 120, Sydenham 180, 120 plus 60, 180. Vilinker number of seats 500, SIS number of seats 400, Pumba again 180, Xavier's 120, Chetna 240, MET 240, IES 240. Now if you add them up, now I'm not including Dalmia. Dalmia is not accepting, doesn't have a MS program, have a PGDM program. So if you add 240 seats there as well, plus another 60 for 300 seats. So if you add them up, the total come out to be around 2,000 seats. Fine. So seats come nahi hai, and each of the college on the list is decent enough. If I take an average of everything of all these top 10 colleges, yeah, if I take the average of all the colleges, average fees is 6 lakhs and average salary is 9 lakhs. Now the main problem is if you go anywhere in the country, for all the colleges which have an average salary of 9 lakhs, the fees is 16 lakhs. So the best part of the Mumbai based colleges is the ROI. Yeah, and a decent job as well. Now, not saying of course you can compare them with IIM Ahmedabad, but they are at par with any of the decent colleges, decent. Okay, so that you can target. Fine. Problem पता कहाँ पे आता है? Public का जाना है सिर्फ JBIMS. Fine. Yep. So we can target all these colleges. See, those who are focused on CET, they'll be focused on CET. Exam is in March. The form will be coming out in January mid, January end. By the time all the other exams are out, CAT, SNAP, NMAT, CMAT, all the exams are over and the result is also out. After that, CET happens. Yeah, imagine a guy who have flopped everywhere. He have a chance now to convert the top colleges. So CET can act as a very good backup plan. For those who are not focused on CET, CET can act as a good backup plan. Alright. All the best. So in case you want to join a program, we are launching a program for the CET exam. So that's why I'm calling it CET ka number 2 course in after CAT exam.